Welcome to Minutes Mastery by 3T. Today we shall talk about Amara's law related to technological impact. In the fast-paced world of technology, we often expect massive change overnight. But have you noticed that in long run, some innovations far exceed our expectations? Amara's law, named after the futurist Roy Amara, states that we tend to overestimate the impact of technology in the short term, but underestimate its effect in the long term. Confused? Let's take the example of 3D printing. A decade ago, it was hyped as something that would revolutionize manufacturing overnight. Overestimation. Because progress has been slower than expected. However, in the long term, its applications from creating prosthetics to aerospace parts are proving to be groundbreaking, which remained underestimated. In the corporate world, this has both positive and negative sides. The plus, companies that invest in long term tech trends can reap massive rewards once the technology matures. The minus, the risk of initial overinvestment or disappointment. When the technology doesn't immediately deliver, like we can see in the companies like Jio Telecom, which introduced 4G in 2016. Initially, it was disruptive, but not everyone saw its long term potential. Today, Jio has transformed India's telecom landscape, bringing affordable data to millions. That is Amara's law in action. Same was the case with UPI payments. Amara's law teaches us that patience is the key in corporate technology strategies. Company must balance the excitement of new technology with realistic timelines. The short-term disappointment should not overshadow the long-term impact. Amara's law isn't just about predicting the future, it's about preparing for it. Join us for Minutes Mastery to know and grow more.